Multimodal learning is the idea that there are different kinds of content and media that can be used to actually enhance the learner experience. That can be a combination of videos, audio, text, interactive elements such as open Q&A, multiple choice, polls, taking selfies and Wi-Fis. The idea of being able to actually apply the different styles of learning, because not all learners are created equally, and be able to provide those multiple ways to engage learners is actually the underlying principles of multimodal learning. Because the truth is, you and I don't like to learn in the same way all the time. And so imagine if we had the flexibility of being able to use multiple modes based on your preferences and mine, and based on the type of content. So the type of content may also then dictate the modality that is the most effective for consuming and understanding that piece of content. So ultimately, multimodal learning is really the principle and idea that there are definitely different kinds of content out there, and how do you actually bring that all together to create the best experience.